So it's our last day here in Japan, in Tokyo. So we're gonna show you first the breakfast here in Kurakusayesu. Make sure when you book, if you want to avail of the breakfast, make sure that breakfast. So dito yun sa second floor. Ito yung breakfast area. So there's bread. Ay, wala na namang pan out. So you can eat your bread. Here's the plate. Tapos there's egg. Vegetable, chicken au gratin with tomato, scrambled egg, white fish escabeche, fish, and then balsamic pork stir-fried with vegetable, German potato, and then ito sa morning hindi available. Okay, there's juice, water, and iced coffee or coffee machine. May chocolate din. They also have hot chocolate and cold chocolate. And there's salad. Yun lang. And then there's cereal, kids plate, and colorful. Ito may rice dito eh. Omuyo rice. Not available. Simple lang. Pero okay naman. So that's it guys. Breakfast muna tayo. Hi guys, so pupunta sana kami sa Pokemon Center today kasi bibili pa si Don ng cards. And look at the line, it's Saturday. And hanggang kabilang block ang line. And still the entrance, this is still the entrance. Sa loob, mahaba pa yan, iikot pa yan, di ba? Pag akit sa loob sa 5th floor. So go here to the Pokemon Center.
Madami kasing resellers. So, despite, actually may limit sila, 5 packs of cards per person. Pero despite that, makikita mo, ano pa rin.
Grabe, pagpasok mo niyan sa taas, akit ka pa sa 5th floor, and then may parang paikot-ikot pa yan dun sa may counter.
Mas grabe pa yan sa Disney
Mas grabe pa sa Disney ride. Pero mukhang tsatsagain siya ng mga tao. So yan, failed. Hindi nakabili si Uncle Don.
Oh, sad siya ako doon.
So siguro maano naman yan, out of stock na later kung dadaan sila. Pero I think the whole day yung ganyang haba ng pila.
Oh, weekend man. Sabado.
Oo, kasi Sabado. Kasi
work.
pumupunta kami for the past since Monday. Wala naman ganyan na line.
Although madami pa ring line sa taas.
Maraming line sa taas. As in, paikot-ikot pa siya before ka makarating sa counter. So, yun, back up. Punta na lang kami sa Akihabara. Hey, good morning guys. So, we're now going home today. So, it's Sunday. Our flight is June 21. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So, it's now 10:38. And we have evacuated our room. All our stuff are downstairs. Ayan, kami na lang naiwan dito. So, there's a weighing scale pala sa baba. So, if you need to check your luggages, so far, wala na kaming naiwan. Last check and we're going out. Okay. Ayan. Wala na naiwan. So, see you guys in a bit.
Oh, hi guys. So we're going home and we're in the airport na. Yay!
We're already lining up, waiting for the checkout. Check-in pala. Yan sila ama. This is your Cal. So our luggage check-in is 4 na. Ay, 5. From 4 naging 5. So yung check-in counter hindi pa bukas. So lakad-lakad muna kami ni Rachel. Kasi 3 o'clock pa yung flight. So, I think mag-o-open yung counter. Siguro 12 or 1. I'm not sure. So, lakad-lakad muna kami ni Rachel. Di ba, Rachel? Si Rachel natulog na sa car on the way. Hi! Tingin muna tayo dito sa tax-free shop. Meron akong binibiling collagen dito. At mga kung ano-ano. Ito, dami ko nabiling collagen jelly last trip eh. Marami pa akong naiwan. Saka ito medyo maasim to. Ito na naman parang triglyceride ni jelly. Gusto ko ng jelly kaysa tablets. So dito sa second floor, sa may check-in, you can buy stuff like Tokyo Banana, Royce. Pero meron din to sa loob. The Royce potato chips is 1188. Nagmahal na. Dati 800 lang.
Oh, look at this.
Ay, parang mas cheaper sa mahal dito. 4,500 lang to eh.
Look at this one.
5,500. Sa Donkey, 4,500. Yeah, how is it moving?
How?
Ay, cute yan, no? 8,000 yen. Bumili kami ng gagawin ni Raizo. Ito. Mas mahal dito. Mas mura sa Donkey. 4,500. Diyan, 5,500. Tapos, si Achi, ito yung gagawin niya. Mas mura sa Donkey. Sa Donkey, parang 2,000, ano lang to eh, something. Dito, 3,740. Ay, cute to. It will teach you patience. So, I bought them one kasi matagal pa naman ang start ng school. They're gonna make it before school starts. Ito maganda rin to book. Sa labas, there's also Starbucks. So, may pinapahanap si Raquel. I don't know if there's Daiso here. But we will check. So, may mga travel camera photo, mga earphones. Okay, mga bag tag. So, may big camera din pala dito. Big camera, Uniqlo, in the airport before you go inside the immigration. You go through immigration. Ayan, may big camera pa. One last look around if you need something. Ang Ichiran dito, 2,300. Yung Ichiran na binili namin dun sa may discount shop, 1,900 lang. Mas mura talaga dun sa discount na grocery. Ang name is OK Discount Grocery and it's in Ginza. Mahal sa Donkey at saka dito sa airport yung Ichiran. Yan, yung mga, pwede pa kayo last minute shopping. Forgot, yung pasalubong. Here in the airport, so bumili din ako nito. Ang pasalubong, 1,000 yen. Same sa Donkey, 1,000 din. She wants to buy whiskey daw. Okay, check-in na kami. Our check-in opened at 12:50. Guys, naka-check-in na kami. And we're now going to look for lunch. Diyan kami lagi kumakain, not inside after immigration. So, dito kami kakain sa NN's Cafe and Dining, NN's Court. So, these are their food choices. Ramen. I think I'll get ramen na lang. Tonkotsu. So guys, dito na kami nag-lunch sa En's Cafe and Dining. So, Daddy got curry cutlet, ako ramen, and dito siya sa kabila. Lunch. Okay, kain muna tayo.
There's spoon and fork.
Yes, there's spoon and fork. So, nakapasok na kami ng immigration, guys. And then, bumili lang ng stuff dun sa may pasalubong area, Akihabara store. And then, we're going to our gate, 81 to 99. So, sa gate, you just present your boarding pass first and then sa immigration passport. Pag may bata, dun sa may tao na immigration. Pag walang kid, pwede dun sa gate. Di ba nag-e-gate ka, Res? Oo. Sa e-gate lang ang pasok. Walang stamp. So, it won't take a space in your passport pag sa e-gate. So, our gate is gate 90. So, guys, boarding na kami. On time ang flight. Actually, very early. Pas-pas kaayo ang boarding. Hindi ka na makarelax. Hello! Hi, guys. So, dumating na kami sa Cebu. It's now 6:47 o'clock. And everything's on time. Wala nang delay. And we're just getting our bags. And we're just gonna have dinner in the house. And then, susundin kami ng driver later. That's it. You have a nice time in Japan.